Looking at here's a 42-inch Hampton Bay Middleton ceiling fan in Mount Dora, Florida. And yeah, here's the light. And this is why you don't put indoor fans outside, because look at the blades on this guy. It's drooping. These things suck, I will say that. And there's another one over there, which I'm gonna probably film, but it's at Tony's Chowder House. It's does look okay for a fan, but one of the worst Hampton Bays out there, I should say. It uses a 131 by 12 millimeter motor. It's kind of it's one of those janky fans that I really don't like. It is moving some air, don't get me wrong, but I think this one kind of got a bad cap. I can feel a little bit of airflow, but very, very little. Barely puts out a thing, which I will film the other one over there in the back. Full power. Well, it looks like this one's got a drifting cap. Feel a tiny bit of a breeze, but nothing that good, so. But I guess that's it with this piece of crap. Here you have it.